Hello everybody! Welcome to English for Starters for the 11th grade, the scientific section.
Global changes in the atmosphere, Part 2. In this episode, we're going to talk about cleaning the atmosphere. Further information on the atmosphere.
There are many environmental problems that are currently plaguing the Earth. Many of them are caused by humans, and some just occur naturally. Environmental pollution isn't just an issue that has just been noticed now, but the most serious environmental problem is air pollution or atmosphere pollution. In this lesson, we will see the possibility of reducing the damage caused by human to atmosphere and the environment.
Cleaning the atmosphere. How can humans reduce our impact on Earth's atmosphere? Is it a job for scientists or for everyone?
The following paragraphs contain the answers for those questions. Let's start reading the first paragraph.
Environmental experts.
Solar energy,
Wind energy.
hydrogen fuel cells,
Experts are working on cleaner forms of energy production from renewable sources, such as solar or wind energy. Cleaner forms of fuel, like hydrogen fuel cells, are being developed for cars, and vehicles that are more efficient and burn less fuel are being designed.
True or false? Solar energy is a renewable source of energy. This is true.
True or false? Hydrogen fuel cells are a renewable source of energy.
This is true.
These modern solutions, however, are often too expensive to be used. But carbon emissions can be reduced if everyone works together. Small actions like car sharing or turning lights off when leaving a room can make a big impact when combined.
How could carbon emissions be reduced?
Carbon emissions can be reduced if everyone works together. Earth Hour is an annual global event run by WWF, which demonstrates the energy saving that is possible when a great number of people stop using electricity at the same time.
What is Earth Hour?
It is a global event in which a great number of people stop using electricity at the same time.
True or false? Earth Hour is a monthly global event.
This is false. Earth Hour is annual event.
Even missing the occasional burger can help. If fewer burgers are needed, fewer methane-releasing cows will be bred. How can missing the burgers help cleaning the atmosphere? It's simple. Less burgers mean less cows to be bred and less methane releasing.
Further information on the atmosphere.
The atmosphere becomes thinner and thinner until it fades away into space. But approximately 3/4 of the atmosphere's mass is within 11 kilometers of the surface of Earth. It is this denser part of the atmosphere that keeps conditions on Earth the same.
Where is the denser part of the atmosphere?
It is within 11 kilometers of the surface of Earth.
There is no definite line between the atmosphere and outer space. Although the Kármán line, 100 kilometers above the surface of the planet, is often taken as the boundary. In the USA, people who travel above an altitude of 80.5 kilometers, 50 miles, are classed as astronauts. Is there a definite line between the atmosphere and the outer space?
No, there isn't. The atmosphere is made up of several layers, all of which vary in thickness. The first layer is the troposphere, which goes up to between 7 and 17 kilometers from Earth's surface.
Above the troposphere, the layers are
the ozonosphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere, the ionosphere, and the exosphere. From 500 to 10,000 kilometers up. Each layer is very different from the others, with its own distinct temperature and conditions. Some layers get cooler the higher up they go. Others get warmer.
How are the layers of the atmosphere different from each other?
Each layer has its own distinct temperature and conditions. Here we come to the end of this episode. For any questions or suggestions, please contact us on the following addresses. See you. Bye bye.